opposite side of the roof towards the alpha side?
Yeah, at least towards the alpha side. Somewhere on that alpha side, you're going to be able to make a better difference. You're going to find the fire. You're going to have fire coming out of the hole well before these guys did when they made their cuts on that Charlie side. And you're going to be in the best position to make the biggest difference. And that was the same concept going back to the hand line. Yes, you can make an entrance on side Bravo to the second floor, to the first floor, to the alpha side. They chose to go in the best door possible to get to the seat of the fire the quickest. And now you have fire that's progressed so much that this truck is now flowing through the second floor window, which is basically just sweeping the ground and probably pushing tables and chairs that were half burned on fire. So it just comes back to effectiveness. They're wasting a lot of time and energy on more or less being inefficient. And right there, you have a dormer too. I mean, you should have already been thinking about some void spaces with the pitched roof. Anytime anyone comes across that radio, maybe not being able to recognize a Cape Cod, that's fine. But a pitched roof, you should also have in your mind, there could be void spaces somewhere. It should be something that I am considering. As a lineman, you go into a pitched roof situation, depending on how that house is built. But that pitched roof, you could easily go into an environment that's high heat, low visibility. And if you didn't put the pitched roof and that condition that you're experiencing together, you're not necessarily going to be thinking, I need to be a bull in a china shop and I need to break these walls and hook this ceiling and I need to find this fire. There's fire somewhere. All my signs are telling me, but I'm not going to be able to hit it because all the interior walls are still intact. And that's where dudes, get scared a little bit. High heat, low vis, don't know where the seat of the fire is at. You have to start opening up. Now, looking at this picture now, it's a good cut. If I'm up there on that saw and I have this going on, one, I got wind at my back. So I'm pretty happy about that already. But I got fire coming out of the hole. It's effective. And if I didn't already know, I know wind's a factor as well. I mean, if it hasn't happened already, that would be a good time to mention the command, hey, the fire's below us. I mean, I got fire in front of me, but there's definitely the fire is on the A side. We need a hand line below us now. The roof structurally stable still. Get somebody inside there or get me a hand line to be able to take this back. This is the last part. I'll show you the video. It's just kind of cool to me, just loving running these fires and stuff. You're looking at that chimney right there and around it, you got glow. And right there, what happened?
Yeah,
Come
burn
on.
through.
Why did we see the glow and then we saw fire in our face?
That the void space given out and introduction of a new oxygen, like knocking out a knee wall per se, and kind of like the last little give of it.
Is it like a little flashover? Yeah.
It's just going back to this whole fire in particular. All that changed. It wasn't anybody's actions. It was 100% the wind. Change of direction. That's it. It stopped pushing into that structure. It just took a break and that fire was breathing. The wind, the pressure gave a little bit. It was weaker on the Bravo side and it's just consuming and it's angry and it just lets out and it wants to consume more of that building. And it was the pressure change that allowed that to happen. But as far as breaking down that video, I mean, it's a lot, but it covers everything from start to finish on what we should be doing on these fires. Starting at the top, working our way down, getting the building construction going, and knowing that our hand lines in the proper positions with the proper application of water makes all the difference, versus what we see or what we saw as far as not applying water correctly, not venting correctly, not identifying and changing our actions based on the environment that's already presented to us. There's nothing hidden. You don't need a college degree to be able to understand what this building and this fire was telling you. And that's it. I mean, all credit to First Source News for the video. This was solely an educational kind of breakdown on the learning fire tactics and applications. I hope you guys took something away from this. Thank you.